Agave attenuata, otherwise known as the century plant or foxtail agave, is a very popular succulent from Mexico. Apart from being ridiculously easy to grow, this plant offers striking architectural lines and wonderfully soft and subtle shading within the rosettes of firm, fleshy foliage. Perfect for pots and planters, Agave attenuata also goes very well in waterwise gardens or townhouse courtyards, and needs full sun to thrive. Being a succulent, they must have extremely well-drained soils, with plenty of sand, grit or stones to help the water drain through. In winter they won't need watering, but in summer, once every couple of weeks will allow it to suck up enough moisture to keep it looking great. After 10 years or so, a tall flower spike will appear. These can be up to 3 meters long, flopping over at the top under the weight of flowers. They're quite spectacular. After flowering, the mother plant will die back, but there should be plenty of pups or offshoots at its base to fill the void.